Hello everyone, this is John. Today we're going to see if your computer can be upgraded to Windows 11. I'm going to download the PC Health Check app and check your TPM state. So if you're searching for the PC Health Check app in the Windows 11 homepage, you won't find it because it is coming soon. But that is actually not the case, because the preview version of the PC Health Check app, of the updated PC Health Check app, is available on the Insiders page. You have to have a Microsoft account. Yes, and you have to be a Windows Insider. You can see your Insider status in the Feedback Hub. As you can see, I am a Windows Insider. So now you type in this URL aka.ms get PC Health Check Insiders. It will be redirected to this page. You might need to reload it because sometimes it crashes. I don't know why. Okay, here's the working page. Sometimes it just crashes into an endless loop where it just keeps reloading. So here is the download link: 64-bit, ARM or 32-bit, or S mode. I don't know who even uses that S mode. Whatever, so you can download it here or here if your computer is 32-bit, though Windows 11 is not 32-bit. So now I have downloaded it actually, and here it is. Hang on a moment. You have to press check now. This is my computer here. So yes, my computer doesn't support Windows 11 yet, and you can see all results and all of this. To check your current TPM state, you can go to tpm.msc. This is the TPM Microsoft Management Console. You can enable TPM in the BIOS. If it's no compatible TPM found, on Intel it is called Intel Platform Trust Technology. That is worth noting. And so that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in the next one.